Hi, I'm Alan from MeasureSquare. Today, we'll be going over how to create and apply tile to a column in MeasureSquare 8. I'm going to start with the room I've already created with product already assigned to the floor. To create a column in a room, I'll simply right-click on the room, click on Room Edit, then click on Insert Hole. As you can see, drawing crosshairs appear, and I will use it now, draw my columns, left-clicking to drop each corner of my column. Once I finish drawing the last wall of my column, you can see that it is created with a hole and walls bordering it. Next, to assign tile to my column, I'll go to my View options by clicking on Options in the toolbar here. Next, to assign tile to my column, I'll go to View Options by clicking on Options in the toolbar. And I'll toggle on Walls on Right Side so I can view my walls more easily. To view all the walls for my room, I'll go ahead and click on View Wall up here in the toolbar, and then click on my room. You can see that all the walls are displayed on the right side of the room. To add tile to my column, I can either add a wall stack or simply just drag and drop tile to the column. In this case, I'll go ahead and right-click on a column wall, click on Add Horizontal Wall Stack, and add a wall stack. I will then drag and drop a tile product into the column's wall stack. To add this same tile arrangement to the other column walls, I'll go ahead and right-click on the column wall I just assigned the tile to, click on Product Assignment and Profile, and click on Copy Wall Profile. On another column wall, I will repeat those same steps, except this time I will click on Paste Wall Profile instead of Copy Wall Profile. You can see that the same tile arrangement is now applied to a second column. Let's get a 3D view to observe it. You can see that the tile is applied to two walls on my column. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like or leave a comment. And if you'd like to be informed of when new videos come out, please subscribe to our channel.